my own sort of daily practice is concerned now, of course, from early, around, I think every day, I think at least 5 hours spent on some meditation.
Formal sitting.
So now within the meditation, the much portion, analytical meditation, impermanence, and then my emphasis is the ultimate reality. Start, what is I? What is self? You can't find. Obvious. Then through that way, all phenomena of Buddha, our ultimate Khasada, teacher.
No.
If we investigate what is Buddha, you can't find. But that sort of absence of Khasada, I mean, why we cannot find? The very way our investigation is not content.
Yeah, so the fact that when we search, when we kind of follow after our terms and search for some kind of reference to our terms, we are moving beyond the framework of everyday convention, that we are not, we are not contented by the boundaries of everyday convention.
So the fact is just dependent, no absolute. Without sort of content, the relative, try to know the ultimate sort of absolute, you can't find, because there's no absolute. So that's the way, the non-self theory or absence of independent existence. That's one of my favorite sort of practice. And also that's the basis of the deity yoga, visualization of oneself as a deity. Without that practice, they visualize oneself as a deity is foolish, meaningless, right? Stupid. So first, you must develop the basis of these practice. So that's the understanding of emptiness, or something like space. One space there, then you can build something. So that's one of my main sort of practice for meditation. So I think in five hours, not continuously, I can't. My mind always goes, yeah. But you see, each sort of certain sort of visualization, remember about that. So several times meditate on that. And then motivation, compassionate motivation. As soon as wake up, 3:30 or around 3, as soon as wake up, I recite one sort of salutation to Buddha by Nagarjuna. It's wonderful. So they jump to Delhi.
So then, this is the form of taking refuge in the Buddha. Yeah.
And then the very purpose of taking refuge, Buddha, is the serving for others. Your life, your very existence should be something meaningful. Just take oneself. Animals also do that. Nothing special. We have such wonderful intelligence. We must utilize this intelligence maximum way. So thinking more about well-being of others, your well-being automatically comes. Think of oneself well-being, even one's own well-being will not achieve. Too much anxiety, too much worry. No use. Think more about this entire sentient being's well-being. It's immense benefit. Of course, still mind because of that
Realization.
experience is very, very small. Very small. Just a beginner. Even then, immense benefit. So, combination. Because of the wisdom or understanding of ultimate reality, in a way, nothingness or zero create basis of 10, 100,000, 100,000 like that. So without a zero, you see, you can't just build that way, is it? So that's Buddhist way. I am Buddhist, so I practice that way. And then meantime, the impermanence also is to come. The mindfulness,
Yeah, mindfulness of body. All of these come together.
Like that. But so far, midagokkomni solo parmonyo.
So up to now, his Holiness was saying, up to now, fortunately, as a result of meditating on impermanence, it didn't lead to the psychological problems this monk had.
Yesterday I mentioned, you see.
That's translation. Thus far, no nervous breakdown.
So, and also, you see, the thinking about the suffering, or third level of suffering of other. That to me is most effective. Just you see, seeing other suffering, first level, that even animal. One of their own companion is to suffer. The rest showing some concern. That is not karota.
That does not satisfy the uniqueness of the human heart.
This intelligence, we have the ability, you see, to think deeper way, suffering nature. That automatically, you see, bring question or curiosity, whether there is possibility to eliminate the suffering or not. Then that immediately, you see, because of the interest, what is the causes of that? If causes of suffering can eliminate, then automatically, because of suffering, freedom can eliminate. Otherwise, no use, forget, and take rest. See? And alcohol, better. I think alcohol.
Maybe alcohol.
Drugs. Once you find this is some sort of purpose, some goal, and as a result of this initial practice, immense benefit in terms of peace of mind, and that immense benefit, well-being of physical. So, I think it is wise to think that way, rather than I is something. That is foolish.
No.
Oh, sorry.
So with this jewel of personal advice, we take lunch.
Yeah, lunch more important than meditation. Since everything is depend on this body, so fuel of this body's energy is very, very important. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness.